discover the health benefits of blueberries. From the nutrients that provide a great source of vitamins, this wonderful fruit can give us a great quality of life. Welcome to Health Food and Life. May be protective. Blueberries contain one of the highest antioxidant levels amongst commonly consumed fruit and vegetables. This is typically referred to as the ORAC score. They are extremely rich in naturally occurring plant compounds called phytochemicals such as ellagic acid and anthocyanidins. These phytochemicals are responsible for the blue, indigo and red coloring of the berry. The phytochemicals in blueberries have been extensively researched for their protective properties, which helps the body combat a long list of diseases. May help prevent heart disease. Research has shown that anthocyanidins, which are found in berry fruits, may support the cardiovascular system. They appear to do this by supporting the health of blood vessels and reducing the arterial stiffness which is associated with aging. May help regulate blood sugar. Blueberries are both low in sugar and a good source of fiber. As a result, they have a low glycemic index. This, together with their high flavonoid content, may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for managing blood sugar levels. May help maintain eye health. Including blueberries regularly in your diet may improve vision and guard against age-related macular degeneration. This is thought to be thanks to the improved blood and oxygen flow to the eyes and the antioxidant protection, which may help reduce the likelihood of cataract and macular degeneration. May alleviate gastrointestinal issues and UTIs. Traditional medicine suggests blueberries may be a useful remedy for both gastrointestinal conditions and urinary tract infections. Are blueberries safe for everyone to eat? Blueberries, along with fruits including apples, peaches, avocados and raspberries, contain natural chemicals called salicylates. Some people are sensitive to these compounds and may experience an allergic reaction to them, including skin rash and swelling.